In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group chat in Lark. Whether you're coordinating a project, kicking off a sprint, or just getting a few teammates on the same page, a dedicated group chat makes communication faster and more focused. We'll walk through the process on the desktop app so you can follow along on your computer. Start by opening Lark on your computer. When the app launches, you'll see your main workspace. If you use more than one account or workspace, make sure you're in the one where you want this group to live. If Lark is already running, bring it to the front so the left sidebar is visible. Now, head to the Chats panel. This is your central hub for conversations, both direct messages and groups. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar, typically labeled Chats, often with a speech bubble icon. This panel is where your new group will appear once it's created, so it's helpful to be looking right at it. Look toward the top of the Chats panel for the small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open your options. A quick menu will appear. From that menu, select New Group. This choice tells Lark you want a multi-person conversation, not just a one-to-one chat or a calendar event. Lark will now ask you to select members. Use the search bar to find teammates quickly, or scroll through your contacts if that's easier. Click each person you want to include. You can add as many as you need for your discussion. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right people, especially if your organization has multiple folks with similar names. Don't worry if you miss someone. You can adjust the member list later as your needs change. When you've finished selecting members, click Create. The button becomes active once you've chosen at least one other person. Clicking Create finalizes the setup and opens the new group chat right away. Your group now appears in the chat list, and you can message instantly. You'll see the group name and the member list at the top of the conversation. It's a good practice to send a quick welcome message or a short note explaining the purpose of the group so everyone knows what to expect. If you don't see the group immediately, make sure you're viewing the Chats panel and that you're not filtering by only unread or pinned conversations. That's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to Chats, click the plus, choose New Group, select your members, and hit Create. You're ready to collaborate faster and keep your team aligned in one place.